Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we're going to be checking out the Hat. The Hat is a Southern California staple. This is their first location outside of Southern California, and it's located right here in Vegas. Let's go inside, check it out. The Hat is located at 6215 South Rainbow Boulevard, Las Vegas. Well, I do have a drive-through available here at the Hat in Las Vegas. About 20 minutes before the restaurant opens, you see here right in front of us, those cars are already lined up for the drive-through. This place has been packed since they opened. That's why I'm out here early, hoping to beat the crowd here. They do have indoor and outdoor seating available. Keep in mind, the outdoor seating is not covered, and out here in Las Vegas, especially in the hotter months, this might be a little bit unbearable.
Thank you.
And right here behind the counter is their complete menu. Time to freeze frame your screen. Look at it for yourself. Well, here's their picture menu they have available. And if you like peppers, they got you covered here. Bag up your peppers, take them with you, put them on your sandwich. Got everything ordered, come down here to pick things up. You see they're hustling behind the line already. Over here, this is their drink selection. They got their Coca-Cola variety. And we'll go ahead and go with Dr. Pepper today. And there is no Dr. Pepper, that's always good. Okay, well our second choice will be Fanta. Yeah, we got orange there, that's great. They're right here on their bags, they give you all their locations, which is really cool if you're in the Southern California area. Check these out. And
68 is ready, 68.
And if you're here in Las Vegas, check out the location we're currently showing right here. Even though the order's for here, they do bag it up for you like you're going to take it with you. In one bag there's fries, the other bag there is a sandwich. Got everything unbagged. We had the fries, and basically the whole bag was full of fries there. And then we can see I went with their world famous pastrami dip sandwich. This is what they're famous for. Figured needed to show this to you all, and we're doing the unveiling right now. Look at that goodness right there. So this is their world famous pastrami dip sandwich. And because it does make a mess and goes all over, I did have them give me a fork and also plenty of napkins. The way I like to eat my pastrami is I like a little mustard on that, so they got some mustard here and of course some ketchup for the fries. Because the Dr. Pepper machine wasn't working, I went ahead and went with orange Fanta. Well, we'll give this all a flavor taste and let you know what it's like. Fries look crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. We'll see if the looks are as good as the taste. Fries are perfectly done. They're, like I said, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, just the way they looked in field. And the taste is fantastic. Oh, what's nice is they do cut the sandwich in half, so you don't have to pick it all up, but it is stuffed full of pastrami. And give this a taste, see what it's like. Well, the taste is fantastic, just like I remember from the establishments there in California when I visited them. I put extra mustard on, but they do have mustard on the sandwich already. And it does pickle, there's a pastrami, of course the bread, and just the flavors, the way they blend together, it's amazing. All right, here, this is the original Hat location in Alhambra, California. Right here we see on the bottom, circa 1951. Here's a vintage photo, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. As you saw with the sandwich, it was just stuffed full. That's the reason why you want to get a fork, is so you can finish it all up. If you're out here visiting Las Vegas, definitely worth the Uber trip coming out here, checking out the Hat for yourself. Well, the total came up to be $21.76. That was $12.90 for the pastrami dip, $3.19 for the medium drink, and that small fry was $3.99. Subtotal of $20.08. There was tax of $1.68. So that total, as said, was $21.76. Well, I hope you enjoyed me showing you the experience here at the Hat in Las Vegas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.